Well, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us for tonight's functional medicine workshop with Dr. Naomi Machimura. We are so excited to have her on as our guest. Those of you that have met her, she has been with us now for a couple of months. Dr. Machimura has been practicing for over 17 years, even though she's new to Revive. She's definitely been in the industry for a long time with lots of experience as an acupuncturist. And she is very dedicated and devoted to helping individuals experience the profound connection between the body and mind. She believes that integrating mind and body is essential for releasing physical pain and empowering people to live life on their own terms. Dr. Machimura offers sessions that are characterized by a holistic approach, focusing on both healing the mental and physical aspects, and by identifying and addressing the root cause of issues. By delving deep into the mind, she is able to uncover emotions linked to physical conditions, facilitating comprehensive healing and well being. Dr. Machimura has received her bachelor's degree in Japanese language and literature from Otsuma Women's University in Tokyo, Japan. And in 2003, she decided to relocate to California to start her studies in Oriental medicine at the Southern California University of Health Sciences, where she received her master's degree in acupuncture and Oriental medicine. After several years of practicing, her passion for Oriental medicine led her to pursue her PhD in acupuncture and Oriental medicine from American Liberty University in Newport Beach. She specializes in pain management, women's health and fertility, healthy aging, and longevity. And here at Revive Chi, she offers a huge array of treatments, including acupuncture, Chinese medicine, muckwort V steam, which she'll be talking a little bit more about tonight, integrated functional medicine, NADA, which is National Acupuncture Detoxification Association protocols to treat substance abuse, emotional traumas, and PTSD. She also offers holistic microneedling and cosmetic acupuncture, and she has special training from the Maizen cosmetic acupuncture protocols for anti aging. So, welcome, Dr. Machimura. So grateful for you to be here today and to share all of your knowledge about functional medicine and balancing hormones for different women's health conditions. So, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Dr. Yang. Hi, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Naomi Machimura. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and practitioner of functional and Oriental medicine. So my focus is on helping women through the unique challenges of hormonal imbalances, whether related to fertility, menopause, or other health concerns. Today, we'll be focusing on natural approaches to improving conception rates, managing symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and low libido, and optimizing overall wellness. I'm very excited to share insights and strategies that can make a real difference in your health journey. Let's get started. So first, although Dr. Yang already gave me a very good introduction, but let me introduce myself to everybody. I was born in Japan and I began my international journey in 2001 when I moved to Spain. A year later, I made my way to the US, where I began my studies in traditional Chinese medicine in 2003 and completed my training in 2007. I have been practicing for over 17 years. I'm married with a Latino engineer and a mother of two funky children. My professional focus has evolved over the years to specialize in treating chronic pain, often linked to emotional trauma. I have also integrated functional medicine into my practice, allowing me to provide a holistic approach to healing for my patients. Today, I'm excited to share insights from my journey and practice with you. In my practice, I focus on a comprehensive approach to health and wellness, integrating ancient healing techniques with modern insights to create a personalized whole body healing experience. I specialize in acupuncture, addressing chronic pain and emotional traumas, as well as offering facial acupuncture for skin rejuvenation. In the realm of reproductive health, I support fertility, including IVF protocols, with a holistic perspective. As an integrated functional medicine health coach, I incorporate lab analysis and interpretation into my practice, ensuring that treatment plans are evidence based and tailored to each individual's unique needs. Mind body healing, herbal medicine, and V-steam treatments are also part of my approach, ensuring balance and healing for both physical and emotional health. My practice also includes energy healing, Usui Reiki, and integrated healings, which combine various modalities to support deep lasting transformation. By blending these techniques, I offer a comprehensive path to wellness that addresses not just symptoms, but the root cause of imbalance in the body and mind. Let's start by defining hormonal imbalance and its significant impact on women's health, particularly during key stages like fertility, premenopause, and postmenopause. Hormonal imbalance occurs when there is too much or too little of certain hormones disrupting the body's normal functioning. For women, this can lead to a wide range of issues that affect physical, emotional, and reproductive health. During the fertility stage, imbalances can manifest as irregular cycle, difficulty conceiving, or conditions like PCOS. As women approach premenopause, symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and fatigue often emerge as the body's hormone levels start to fluctuate. And in postmenopause, hormonal shifts can contribute to issues like weight gain, low libido, and sleep disturbances. Understanding these imbalances is critical because they affect nearly every aspect of health, from mood and energy levels to reproductive and metabolic function. By addressing root cause of these imbalances, we can help women feel more balanced and
Mom,
healthier at each stage of
getting
life.
the floor wet.
Next, please. Now let's dive into how traditional Oriental medicine can play a crucial role in regulating hormones and improving overall well-being. Starting with acupuncture, it's well known for balancing the flow of qi, which means the body's vital energy, but it goes much deeper. Acupuncture works by stimulating specific points in the body, which in turn helps regulate the endocrine system that is responsible for hormone production and balance. The benefits of acupuncture extend beyond just balancing hormones. By improving blood circulation, it promotes overall well being, allowing for better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. Acupuncture is also fantastic for stress reduction, which is critical because stress can severely disrupt hormonal balance. By calming the nervous system, it helps support a healthier endocrine system, contributing to more balanced hormones and improved emotional well being. In addition to acupuncture, another powerful modality we use is herbal medicine, both oral and topical remedies. We also incorporate Qigong and TCM diet with therapy to complement the treatments. All of these components work together to balance the flow of qi, support the body's natural healing process, and promote overall well-being. By utilizing these holistic methods, we not only address the symptoms, but also get to the root of hormonal imbalances, providing long-lasting relief and supporting the body through its natural transitions. As a part of herbal medicine, I want to introduce the V-steam or yoni bath. V-steam has been used for centuries and is beneficial for both fertility and menopause. For fertility, It helps improve circulation to the pelvic area, promoting uterine health and reducing conditions like PCOS and endometriosis. For menopause, V-steam can alleviate symptoms like vaginal dryness, low libido, and support the body's natural detox process. Let's take a look from the fertility enhancement. V-steam is thought to help regulate menstrual cycles and balance hormone levels, which can be beneficial for women trying to conceive. Also, V-steam can improve pelvic circulation. The steam increases blood flow to the pelvic area, which can improve the health of the reproductive organs and aid in the repair of damaged tissues or cells, potentially increasing fertility. Detoxification, herbs used in V-steam, such as mugwort and basil, are believed to have detoxifying properties that help cleanse the uterus and get rid of all the blood and toxins, creating a healthier environment for conception. Let's move to from the labor preparation with V-steam. V-steam may help to soften the cervix and prepare the birth canal for delivery, which could potentially lead to a smoother labor process. Increased elasticity. V-steam increases the elasticity of the vaginal canal, which might help in reducing tearing during childbirth. Relaxation. From my experience, V-steam is so relaxing. It can be particularly beneficial as women prepare for the stress and physical demands of labor. Next benefits are for menopause symptoms. Number one, reduced dryness and irritation. Menopausal women often experience vaginal dryness and irritation due to decreased estrogen. The moist heat from a V-steam may help to increase vaginal secretions and alleviate dryness. Number two, hormonal support. While not a substitute for hormone therapy, the herbs used in V-steam can provide natural support to help balance hormones, potentially easing menopause symptoms such as hot flashes and night sweats. Number three, emotional and mental relief. Surprisingly, V-steaming can be a soothing experience, providing emotional and psychological benefits, which are crucial during the menopausal transition when mood swings and irritability can be common. Let's now discuss the role of functional medicine. Unlike conventional approaches that often focus on managing symptoms, functional medicine aims to identify and treat the root causes of these imbalances, whether it's related to fertility, menopause, or other health issues such as digestive problems, autoimmune diseases, weight loss. The goal is to understand the underlying factors contributing to the condition. A key part of functional medicine is the use of comprehensive lab tests. These tests give us detailed insights into patients' hormone levels, adrenal function, gut health, food sensitivities, and even genetics. Based on these results, we create personalized treatment plans that address the specific needs of each patient. This approach ensures that the treatment is not only targeted but also effective in bringing about long-term hormonal balance. What makes this even more powerful is how functional medicine integrates with traditional Oriental medicine. By combining the two approaches, we can take a holistic view of women's health, addressing the physical, emotional, and energetic aspects of healing. This integration allows us to provide a comprehensive approach to managing hormonal imbalances and improving overall well-being. To create truly personalized treatment plans, it's essential to start with collecting the data. That's where comprehensive lab testing comes in. Let's take a closer look at some of the key tests we use to assess hormonal health. First, we have adrenal and sex hormone testing. This test looks at cortisol levels to evaluate the body's stress response, which is often a critical factor in hormonal imbalances. We also assess saliva or urine levels of sex hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, as well as how they are being metabolized. This gives us a clear picture of where any imbalances lie. Next, gut microbiome analysis is key because the health of the gut directly impacts hormone production and regulation. A healthy gut ensures proper nutrient absorption, which is vital for maintaining balanced hormones. Food sensitivity testing helps identify any foods that could be triggering inflammation. Inflammation is often an overlooked contributor to hormonal imbalance, so identifying and removing those triggers can make a big difference. We also conduct total toxic screening, which looks for the presence of heavy metals, environmental toxins, and mycotoxins like mold and fungi. These toxins can disrupt the endocrine system and severely impact hormone function. Finally, genetic testing gives us insights into any genetic predispositions that might affect hormone health. By understanding a patient's genetic makeup, we can tailor treatments even more effectively, ensuring we address any potential genetic factors that could be influencing their hormonal balance. Together, these tests allow us to get a full picture of what's happening in the body and develop targeted plans to restore balance and optimize well-being. Let's now explore how combining traditional Chinese medicine with functional medicine creates a powerful, comprehensive approach to treating hormonal imbalances. By integrating these two practices, we are able to address hormonal issues from both a holistic and functional perspective. TCM focuses on balancing the body's energy or qi and treating symptoms through acupuncture, herbal medicine, and dietary therapy. Meanwhile, functional medicine digs deeper into identifying the root causes through advanced laboratory testing and personalized treatments based on that data. We've been seeing significant improvements in conception rates for women struggling with fertility, as well as dramatic relief from menopause symptoms. In fact, patients often report an enhanced quality of life after treatment with better energy, mood stability, and overall well-being. What makes this integration so effective is that we are not just addressing the physical aspects of health, but also the emotional and energetic dimension. Long-term wellness depends on treating the whole person, not just individual symptoms, and by combining these two practices, we are able to exactly that. Let's now take a look at how we plan treatments for both fertility and menopause, combining the strengths of TCM and functional medicine. For fertility, our primary goal is to enhance reproductive health by improving qi and blood flow to the uterus through acupuncture. This helps to create an optimal environment for conception. At the same time, we use functional medicine to optimizing hormone levels and improving egg quality by addressing any underlying imbalances or nutritional deficiencies. Together, these treatments can significantly improve the chances of conception. For menopause, we take a similar tailored approach, but with a different focus. Through functional medicine, we identify the root causes of hormonal imbalances, that contribute to symptoms like hot flashes, sleeplessness, and fatigue. Acupuncture is particularly effective for managing these symptoms as it helps to balance the body's energy and promote relaxation. Additionally, functional medicine helps address issues such as weight gain, low libido, and vaginal dryness, incontinence by optimizing hormone levels and supporting metabolic health. By targeting treatments specifically for fertility or menopause, we are able to offer a comprehensive and personalized approach that leads to more effective and lasting results long term with minimum side effect. Now, let's talk about the importance of the liver cleanse protocol and its role in hormonal balance. The liver plays a crucial role in breaking down and metabolizing hormones, particularly estrogen and progesterone. Liver acts as a filter, processing and detoxifying excess hormones to maintain balance in the body. However, when the liver becomes overburdened, whether it's due to toxins from the environment, high stress levels, or a poor diet, it may become sluggish. When this happens, the liver doesn't effectively detoxify estrogen. Okay, so now let's talk about again the importance of the liver cleanse protocol and its role in hormonal balance. The liver plays a crucial role in breaking down and metabolizing hormones, particularly estrogen and progesterone. Liver acts as a filter, processing and detoxifying excess hormones to maintain balance in the body. However, when the liver becomes overburdened, whether it's due to toxins from the environment, high stress levels, or poor diet, it may become sluggish. When this happens, the liver doesn't effectively detoxify excess estrogen, which can lead to hormonal imbalances like estrogen dominance. Estrogen dominance is a common issue that can contribute to symptoms such as weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, fertility challenges, and even cancer. That's why a liver cleanse is so important in helping the body force reset and improve its capacity to metabolize hormones. By supporting liver health through targeted nutrition, herbs, and detox strategies, we can help the liver function optimally, reduce excess estrogen, and restore hormone balance. Nice. Could you go back to balance the hormone? One more. Yes. Let's talk about why a liver cleanse is so essential for balancing hormones and how it can help improve a wide range of symptoms. When the liver is functioning optimally, it helps regulate hormone levels. But when it's overburdened, that's when we start to see problems like irregular menstrual cycles and hot flashes. By cleansing the liver, we support its ability to metabolize and detoxify hormones more efficiently, which can reduce these symptoms. Another common issue linked to liver health is weight gain, especially fat around the tummy, which can often be a sign of hormonal imbalance. Not only you ate too much ice cream. Cleansing the liver helps the body process excess hormones like estrogen, which can contribute to stubborn weight gain. We also see improvements in mood swings, night sweats, and fatigue after liver cleanse. These symptoms are often tied to the liver's role in managing hormone levels and detoxifying excess estrogen. By supporting liver health, we can help the body achieve better hormonal balance and improve overall well-being. One of the key benefits of liver cleanse is its ability to support the body in detoxifying harmful compounds like toxins and xenoestrogens. Xenoestrogens are synthetic chemicals that mimic estrogen in the body and are found in everyday products like plastics, pesticides, and some beauty products. These compounds can disrupt hormonal balance and led to issues like estrogen dominance. When the liver is overburdened, it struggles to properly detoxify these harmful substances, increasing the likelihood of hormonal disruptions. By doing a liver cleanse, we help the body eliminate these toxins more effectively, allowing the liver to function optimally and reducing the risk of hormone imbalances. This is a critical step in achieving better overall hormonal health and protecting the body from environmental stressors. These synthetic chemicals found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products mimic estrogen and can lead to hormone related issues such as irregular cycles and difficulty conceiving. One of the most important aspects of hormonal balance is ensuring healthy estrogen metabolism. When estrogen is not properly metabolized by the body, it can lead to a variety of health concerns, particularly for women. By supporting estrogen metabolism, we can help reduce the severity of conditions like endometriosis, which is often driven by excess estrogen. Similarly, it's beneficial for managing fibroids and PCOS, both of which are linked to imbalances in hormone level. Additionally, healthy estrogen metabolism can lower the risk of breast cancer, as excess estrogen is a known risk factor. When we help the body properly detoxify and balance estrogen, we are not just managing symptoms, we are taking steps toward preventing long term health issues. This is why it's so important to support the body in efficiently processing and detoxifying estrogen, whether through liver support, nutrient, or targeted treatments. Another critical reason for doing liver cleanse is its role in reducing inflammation through the body. Inflammation is often at the root of many chronic health issues, and by supporting liver detoxification, we can help alleviate a wide range of symptoms and conditions. For example, inflammation contributes to fatigue, autoimmune disorders, and even heart diseases. It can also play a role in depression and anxiety, as well as sleep disturbances. When the liver is sluggish and not effectively detoxifying, these inflammatory processes can become more pronounced. We also see inflammation manifest in digestive issues, chronic pain, and even brain fog or cognitive decline. Skin problems, allergies, and asthma are often common signs that the body is dealing with excess inflammation. Finally, many people struggle with weight gain or find it difficult to lose weight when inflammation is present. By cleansing the liver and reducing the body's inflammatory response, we not only address these individual symptoms but improve overall health and well-being. Let's talk about impact of liver health and weight management, especially during hormonal changes related to menopause and fertility years. Hormonal imbalances such as estrogen dominance combined with poor liver function can make it difficult for the body to process and eliminate fat. This often leads to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, which many women experience during these stages of life. A liver cleanse plays a crucial role in regulating fat metabolism and improving insulin sensitivity, both of which are essential for managing weight. By supporting the liver's ability to detoxify and metabolize hormones, we help the body better process fat, reducing the likelihood of weight gain and helping to prevent metabolic conditions like insulin resistance. This is why a liver cleanse is so important not just for overall health, but specifically for maintaining a healthy weight, especially when hormonal changes are in play. Now, let's talk about the key factors that contribute to the success of a liver cleanse. It's important to approach the cleanse holistically, incorporating several lifestyle adjustments. First, dietary adjustments are crucial. Eating clean, whole foods helps reduce the burden on the liver and provides the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Along with this, taking supplements that support liver detoxification, such as milk thistle or dandelion leaves, can further aid the process. Hydration is another important aspect. Drinking plenty of water, especially with lemon, helps flush out toxins and support the liver's detox pathways. Exercise is also key. Low impact activities like yoga, walking, and swimming not only promote blood flow but also aid the bodies in eliminating toxins. Activities that encourage sweating, such as visiting, infrared sauna, or hot yoga, help the body detoxify through the skin. Finally, stress management is a critical piece of the puzzle. Practices like meditation, journaling, positive affirmations, and expressing gratitude can lower stress levels and improve overall well being, supporting the liver detox process. By integrating all of these elements, diet, supplements, exercise, sweating, and stress management, we set the foundation for a successful liver cleanse that promotes better health and hormonal balance. Now let's talk about my favorite topic, body-mind connection, which sometimes being ignored, but it's crucial when it comes to healing and overall well-being. On the body side, we focus on finding the root cause of health issues through both functional lab testing and Oriental medicine theory. Helps us understand what's happening physically and allows us to address imbalances effectively. But the mind side is just as important. During the initial consultation, we take a deep dive into your emotional history from childhood through to the present. Often, past emotional traumas are closely tied to physical symptoms. By exploring this connection, we can better understand the relationship between emotional experiences and the root cause of your health challenges. Through energy healing, we can help release both physical and mental blockages, bringing balance to the body and mind. This holistic approach addresses not only the symptoms, but the deeper layers of emotional and energetic imbalances, creating more lasting healing. So let's talk about how to get started on your journey toward better overall well-being. The first step is to schedule an initial consultation. During this consultation, we'll take us through, look at your health history, and discuss your current concerns. From there, we'll determine which lab tests are needed to identify any underlying imbalances. Once we have the test result, we'll sit down and discuss personalized treatment options that are tailored to your specific needs. This will include an overview of the treatment process and what you can expect in terms of potential outcomes. From there, you'll be ready to begin your journey towards improved hormonal balance, energy levels, and overall well-being. The goal is to create a plan that's not only effective but sustainable for your long-term health. Let's go through some of the frequent asked questions that come up during the process. First, how long is the visit? The initial consultation, which includes a detailed health history intake, typically takes about 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. This time allows us to dive deep into both the physical and emotional aspect of your health. Next, a common question is, are the tests included in the visit fee? The answer is no. The cost of testing is separate from the consultation fee. This allows us to customize the test specifically to your needs. People also often ask what functional medicine tests are available. We will refer back to slide 10, where we went over tests like hormone panels, gut microbiome analysis, food sensitivity testing, and more. Another question is how long it takes to get test result. It usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the result to come back, depending on the type of test. Lastly, are these tests covered by insurance? Unfortunately, most functional medicine tests are not covered by insurance, so they are out of pocket expenses. Now for the bonus offered.
Dr. Machimura, before we go to this,
Yes,
there was a couple questions that I wanted to
sure.
bring up since I'm kind of delaying the questions to the end.
Okay.
So, first of all, I just want to say amazing, so much information. I'm so interested in the V-steam treatment
Yes,
for pregnant women as well as for perimenopausal and menopausal patients.
yes,
So can't wait for us to be able to provide that to our patients at Revive.
yes, let's
There
do
was a
that.
question, yes, there was a question that had come up while you were talking about the V-steam treatments. And the question was, does V-steam help to get rid of fibroids that are in the uterine wall?
I think so. Yes, possible. Because through the steam, you're gonna have more blood circulation around the uterus, same as getting acupuncture around the tummy. So trying to do that, you're gonna absorb all the herbal treatment, medicine directly through the vaginal canal, which is more absorbable, I would say, to take the herbal medicine. Because if you have a digestive issue, even no matter how much you take the herbal medicine, you wouldn't be able to absorb it. Instead, having the V-steam, you're gonna absorb directly through the vaginal canal. So more, I could say, more effective. But let's try.
Okay, and it sounds like it would be a good combination to combine the two together if you're doing, well, the three together, acupuncture, Chinese
Herbal medicine.
medicine, and
Yes.
steam. Let's see. How often do you recommend the V-steam?
It depends on what is your symptoms. So and how soon you want to get better.
Yeah, and the other
Uh,
question that followed
yes.
this was, should it be done at home or is it done in the clinic?
Basically, we're gonna offer at the clinic. We still haven't decided that we're gonna do home visit with V-steam. So V-steam is what we have is huge clay stone. It's not like just a small little tiny chair. So therefore, this V-steam is very special and very comfortable. You can sit for long hours, like 1 hour, very easily. You're not gonna get tired, and you don't get so heated either. So that's why it's not easy to carry on and then doing home visit.
Right. Yes,
I'm
sounds like
sorry.
like a heavy appliance or heavy treatment tool to bring around. And
Yeah.
and in general, how long is each session?
So although I would say 1 hour session, but then if you have difficult to get warm, usually that happen for the having a hard time to get pregnant lady, um, takes longer time to get warm up. So I would say 1 hour to 90 minutes. That's the kind of ideal point. But then once you got a kind of pinkish cheek showing up, I would say, okay, maybe time to finish this session.
Mhm.
That's the kind of range of that. Yeah.
And I would imagine, depending on what you're treating, like fibroids versus
Hmm.
trying to induce labor, it would be a different number of
Yes,
sessions.
exactly. Yes, that's
Okay.
right.
So, one of the questions, follow-up questions was, I think you had asked, how soon you would want to start working on a fibroid, and the response was immediately. And then during what time of the cycle do you usually recommend a patient come in?
Okay, that's a very good question. So these teams should avoid during menstruation. So after menstruation, you could start. But if you want to get pregnant, I would stop after ovulation, you
Okay,
know?
so in the implantation window or the luteal phase, then you
Mm-hmm.
would come in. So if
Yeah.
you were coming in for V steaming weekly,
Mm-hmm.
you would just come in for like the first 3 weeks of
First, yes, yes, for
Mhm.
2 weeks. Mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes sense. And then what
Mm-hmm.
about for perimenopausal and menopausal women that are having a hard time with like vaginal dryness and low libido? Um,
Anytime, anytime.
mhm.
Yeah, yeah. Anytime you can come. Yeah, even you have hot flash, I strongly recommend to try this one because hot flash.
Yes. Here, let me sign up for that. I need to come in for a perimenopause V steam treatment for sure while I'm having a hot flash. Yes.
Okay, nice. Sounds good.
Okay. Do we have any other questions about the liver detox or anything about functional medicine for Dr. Machimura? Any of the testing? So I do have one question for you about the tests that you were recommending. So, traditionally in Western medicine, I think we're mostly accustomed to doing lab tests via serum or via blood.
Yes.
So, just curious in terms of some of the common tests that you had listed, like for
Mhm.
example, hormone testing and adrenal testing. What
Mhm.
what type of testing is that? Is it different
Very
than
good
blood work?
question. It's a very good question, doctor. Um, so adrenal hormone test is either saliva or urine. My favorite is the Dutch test, which is by urine. Very simple. The reason what is the difference between serum level of hormone and urine or saliva level of hormone? It's like serum level is you have the food in the fridge, but you don't cook. For example, you have eggs, you have vegetables, you have potatoes, milk. Okay, you have it. However, did you cook and eat? That's how we see from the saliva and urine testing.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So through the serum level, we just know, okay, you some level of hormone you have in the body. However, your liver could metabolize well or have any issues metabolization. Because of the liver issues, you couldn't metabolize and you don't have a good balance of hormone. That's what we want to know.
Mm, okay, that makes sense. So I always think of blood work kind of as more of like a snapshot
Mhm.
what's happening right now versus salivary and urine can kind of look at more trends or patterns,
Look at
especially
more, yeah, really using it, or you really using it. You're eating it, you're using it. That's what I want to know.
okay, that makes
Mm.
sense. So a couple more questions. I heard that soaking your feet can help to warm the uterus. Do you know
I
anything
don't,
about that?
well, I don't know, but it probably makes sense because the acupuncture point, which is very important, spleen 6, is near the ankles. And we really, in my country, Japan, we always say to any pregnancy woman, wear the socks because we
Yes.
want to cover. If we
Right.
say this is the foot, we want to cover the ankle. We don't want to make it cold to have a good circulation to the uterus. So I think of soaking the legs into the hot water is a good idea.
I agree.
Mhm.
The other question is, do you recommend NAC for liver detoxification?
Seafood?
No, NAC, N-acetylcysteine.
Oh, yeah,
Or
I
not?
think that's good. Yes.
Mhm. Okay, great. And then one more question here. What type of gut biome test do you prefer?
There's a several. I usually use GI map, but there's another company also says Gut Boomer. Gotsumer, that is also, I have heard that's a very accurate. So, however, most functional medicine um, has quite well accuracy. So, I think even though I have some preferences, but overall, it's accurate enough to find out what's going on in your system.
Okay, yes, that makes sense. So there's so many different gut tests out there too.
Mhm.
to decide. And I know for some of our patients, sometimes cost is a concern too.
As
So
well, yes.
trying to find something that's effective, but also cost effective too when looking at the microbiome.
Yes.
All right. Any other
Okay.
questions from the guests before we go on to the bonus section? So, I don't know if you guys saw on the flyer, but we're raffling off a liver cleanse kit, which Dr. Naomi has placed here. It's a MetaClear kit by Thorne. And so this is a detox program that we do. We prescribe quite a bit for our patients. Usually we prescribe either a 14 or a 21-day detox. And we have like a sample meal plan that we give to patients with it, as well as sort of the directions for the different supplements. So the large canister here that you see, that's the protein powder, the Metaclear SGS. It's a chocolate flavored protein powder that's also fortified in nutrients and vitamins and detoxification herbs too. And then the medium size container is Metafiber, which is, or Fibermend, I'm sorry, which is a fiber supplement that helps to aid in digestion and elimination. And then lastly is SAT or SAT, and that is a supplement that has additional liver detoxification herbs in there. So that is our giveaway for today. But just want to make sure there's no other questions before we do the raffle. Okay, would liver cleanse help if you're getting balanced after a virus? I don't know if it was COVID, but it definitely dysregulated my cycle. Do you mind if I answer this?
Go ahead.
Okay. So I would definitely say that there is a trend with COVID throwing off cycles and definitely delaying ovulation and menstrual cycles. So there is, I've definitely seen that in practice quite a bit. The liver cleanse should help with that because again, as Dr. Machimura spoke about, it does help to balance out your hormones. So it should be very helpful, and it can also aid in digestive function and also help you with your energy levels too. Because I know most folks after having COVID can feel pretty drained and tired after having a virus like COVID. Good question. So, okay. Yay, Leanne. And everyone else, if you have any other questions about functional medicine, we do have some information on our website about functional medicine. But you can always feel free to reach out to our Revive Chi team if you have questions about scheduling and about Dr. Machimura's days. Dr. Machimura is actually in the office on Mondays and Tuesdays and Saturdays. So yay, we're so excited to have her on Saturdays since it's such a popular day for patients to come in for acupuncture.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, everybody, for joining us on a Tuesday night and hanging out with us for about an hour. We really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to join us. And we hope that you found the information helpful. And we will definitely share the link to this video once we post it up on YouTube. And Dr. Naomi, would you be open to sharing your slides with
Yeah.
the attendees? Is that okay?
Yes.
We can send that along with the link to the video.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right, everybody. Well, have a great evening, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. Okay?
Thank you.
All
This was
right.
really wonderful. Thank you.
Oh, thank you
Oh,
very
thank
much.
you. Thank
Bye.
Oh,
you.
baby. Bye.